I mean, you know, anything goes now that the weather is going to finally cool down. We're not as limited. It was hot over the weekend. We made it to 100 degrees, but big changes coming our way. First, I want to highlight this for you and give you a little first alert that we've got a windy day ahead of us today. This is especially the case if you're in northern Arizona. Here in the valley, we're going to be a little breezy this afternoon and evening. Temperatures are going to fall off, though, especially tomorrow. And rain and snow, all possible across our state today. I want to tell you it's not a lot of snow. This is our model that we're looking at here with the timeline at the top of the screen for snowfall amounts. And today into tomorrow, I don't think we're going to see much in terms of accumulation. A little light dusting maybe at some of the highest mountaintops. Not a ton of accumulation in town. And for rain, our chances are not great for the valley. This is a 3-day rain forecast. Today and tomorrow, we've got the best chance of rain happening across northern Arizona only. For the Valley metro area, slight chance for tonight. Here's where the rain is right now, and this is round one, if you will, with a line of showers across the state. It's been heaviest from Havasu City, Lake Havasu City up through Kingman, and now this is pushing off to the east in the northern part of our state. So that's one area of moisture moving through. That's not our cold front. Actually, this is some leftover hurricane moisture coming off of what was Hurricane Christy. So that's getting pulled up into Arizona. This is a separate storm and cold front that's moving our way. So let me tell you first about the wind. That wind advisory that's been issued for the strong gusty winds. It's for all the areas that are shaded in orange. It's northern Arizona, mainly western Arizona. Starts at 11 o'clock this morning, goes through tomorrow morning. For southwesterly winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Those winds are really going to pick up later today, gusting to 45 miles per hour. High pollution advisory for Yuma is for blowing dust, and that's because we've got wind on the way and not a lot of rain. Let me show you what's going to happen today through our high resolution forecast model timeline here at the top of your screen. So this is that band of showers. We just saw where it is right now. As it moves across the state, it's fairly weak into the midday hours. Now by this afternoon and tonight, it starts to push across the state, and we'll get some showers in the high country this afternoon. But as it pushes across the Valley metro area, really kind of fizzles out or maybe stays just to the north of town. Most of our models are showing some light rain on the northern and eastern edges of town later tonight, even into the overnight hours. We head into tomorrow morning. We may see a few light showers around town. It's a very slight chance for that before this band of showers moves out. Our cold front is pushing through, but most of that rain and snow stays to the north of Arizona. So other than a few flurries and light showers tomorrow in the high country, I think we're just going to have a colder day across much of the state tomorrow. So look how our temperatures drop in the valley. We were at 100 over the weekend, 93 for today, 75 tomorrow. That's a huge drop in temperatures. We got 77 for Wednesday. Look at the mornings getting a lot colder as well. This morning we were in the 50s and 60s. We're going to be in the 40s and 50s by the middle of this week during the morning hours. Afternoons are going to be nice. Get a couple days in the 70s. We pop up to the low 80s for Halloween, but trick-or-treating temperatures should fall off nicely to the 60s and 70s. 83 for Friday. Let's talk about next weekend. It's a ways away, but we're looking at another storm that could bring us some rain on Sunday, along with another cool down. We'll keep you updated as we get closer.